How to log into Commercial Bank of Qatar mobile banking. In this tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can easily sign in and access your CBQ mobile banking app. First thing you are going to have to do is simply go ahead and open up your web browser, or if you have the app, you can open up the app. I'll just continue on with the web browser. Here you can just go ahead and search for CBQ login. Hit enter. And you'll find the first link cib.cbq.qa. Now you'll be taken directly to the login page. If you want to go back to the home page, just tap on home and you'll land on the Bank of Qatar's official website. But if you want to go to the login page, you're going to have to tap on the login page right here. Now just provide your user ID here that's connected to your account, and then simply enter your password. And if you've forgotten your user ID and password, tap on forgot user ID and password, and here you can provide some of your details to recover your account. Once you have entered all of your details, then you should be able to simply log into your account. Tap on the sign in button, and if your login credentials are correct, you'll be signed in. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll see you guys on the next one.